What's good, everyone? Welcome back into the channel. We're looking at another Dogecoin alternative in this video. Do you feel like you wish you kind of got into the Dogecoin era before it went absolutely parabolic? Back in the day, before Elon Musk was talking about this particular token, well, we're going to look at a new ICO in the crypto space in this particular one. Meme coins, of course, have taken an absolute battering along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market over the last week. You can see memes are down to $42.4 billion, but it does not mean that there's still not a lucrative opportunity at some point in the crypto market when we see alts pick back up and potentially another meme rally when that should hopefully happen towards the end of this year. So I want to talk about a new coin which has just smashed through a big milestone that they're pretty happy and proud to talk about. Firstly, they hit a $60,000 milestone, which is really good to see from them, but also $85,000. So this is known as Doge2014, and effectively this is a token that glorifies and celebrates the Dogecoin 10-year anniversary. You can see in 2 days, 22 hours, the price of this will go up. Now, here we can see one Doge 2014 is 0.00027. They're looking to raise $1.1 million for this particular pre-sale stage, and it says introducing Doge 2014, celebrating 10 years of Dogecoin. So the first thing you can see, they've got an audit, which is pretty good. That means security is in the forefront of their minds. They've also got a white paper there, which I advise you always do your own research and due diligence. So check out the website, link is below. Look at the white paper if you want to understand exactly what the project is about, the mission and the vision behind it. So a big mission statement is always a big thing with crypto. You want a big sort of fantasy and of course big short-term and long-term achievements to actually follow. Now, our features, you've got stake to earn rewards. There is a staking ecosystem here where you can lock in liquidity and actually compound Doge 2014 rewards over time. They've actually got over 100 million tokens staked, which is pretty cool to see. Easy wallet integration, as you can see, seamlessly had Doge 2014 in your Ethereum virtual machine wallet. Hold to celebrate, secure and transparent. Now, just doing my research through the website, things do look colorful, they look fun, they look vibrant. I will, however, say that this is not a doxed and KYC'd meme coin, which means it does carry significant risk. We don't know the developers exactly, so the price could go up for a while, but then it could go down. Maybe liquidity gets moved around. Who knows what is honestly going to happen with a coin like this? But meme coins that do have a strong community and culture behind them usually do see at least a good inception and a good launch. So hopefully that can be something that can happen. I'm not saying, of course, that will happen on the sort of more sort of ruggy side, but it's always something you have to question. You can't just be like, this is 100% safe or this is 0% risky. There's always a level of risk, and meme coins do carry risk, and that is something that we already know in this market. 100 billion tokens, 0.000348 listing price. That's about 30-40% higher than where we currently are at the moment. So what will happen is phase one, initiate the Doge 2014 project with a token pre-sale to celebrate Dogecoin and build a strong foundation. Phase two, expand the Doge 2014 community through marketing campaigns. Phase three, officially launch the Doge 2014 token on major crypto exchanges. And then phase four, celebrate major achievements with the community and plan for future development. So very simple. You can see it is just literally all about celebrating that 10-year anniversary of Doge 2014. So Dogecoin itself, the OG Dogecoin. So they want to see some big price action. They want to create a massive ecosystem, of course. Staking side of things, we're just talking about it, 16,000% APY. That is massive. So that tells me, you can see they've nearly got 100 million tokens, which is great to see. And I think we calculated before, if you wanted like 50% of the staking pool, you do need to put an absurd amount in, like $10,000 worth or something crazy. The more share you have of the pool, the more tokens you do actually earn. Now, sometimes these things can be great, but if loads of liquidity gets added quickly, which right now I don't think it will because there's not a lot of appetite in the market right now, that per annum reward rate will drop significantly and reduce your reward rate. Then you've gone from thinking you're going to make money on your stake tokens to actually like, oh, actually this isn't as fruitful as I thought. So right now, in my opinion, this is purely my opinion, staking looks attractive right now because they're not getting that much volume. I know this. They're not getting many transactions. I can just see it, even though it's bullish. But on the staking side, they're not getting as many as competitor ecosystems within the bull market environment. If this was live in the bull market right now, this would be flying. Loads of buyers would be coming in. This reward rate would be dropping. So this could be something quite, good to maybe kind of have fun with. But again, not financial advice. We don't know the future, what could happen. So Doge 2014, big thing here. They're up to 1,496 followers, so they are slowly growing. Tweeted yesterday by Doge 2014, raised over $60,000. So overall, it is a Dogecoin alternative. Of course, it's not the OG Dogecoin. You can see here, is Doge 2014 a good investment? Doge 2014 represents an important part of crypto history. Dogecoin has grown to be the leader of the meme coin market in Doge 2014, creating a token for the lovers and users of Doge. It gives them a chance to celebrate Doge's history and success, a step that could attract many. There is no denying that Doge 14's connection to the multi-billion-dollar Dogecoin market could help it outperform other meme coins by piggybacking on that kind of hype, riding that search volume, and trying to take market share of those Dogecoin fans. It says with its inclusive tokenomics, staking opportunities, and vibrant community, Doge 2014 is undoubtedly a good investment option. So I think, again, that's subjective. It could be good, it could be bad, it could be amazing, it could be terrible. We don't know. It's all speculation, and that's one thing that we all have to kind of accept responsibility for in this space, and that's why you don't ape in 100% liquidity. If you have $100,000 liquid, maybe you want to allocate 1, 2, or 3% sort of maximum to a high risk reward project such as this. If I had only, say, $10,000, I'm not going to put $8,000 into this, and that's just the honest truth. But it doesn't mean I wouldn't then have a shot at maybe putting 100, 200, 300, 400, or even a little, $500 punt into it. So it's all kind of, it depends on what your risk appetite is, what your situation is, and it all changes. So it could be a good one in the future though. Doge 2014, certainly worth having a look at. The link is down below if you want to have a look at purchasing it. But of course, please do not risk warning for to lose any given moment. Week is pretty bad for crypto, but I still think we're going to see a great bullish recovery at some point in the crypto space. It could be September, it could be October. I think July is going to be pretty bad indeed. 28 on the Fear and Greed Index, Bitcoin monthly returns. We're in July. We're still very, very red. Not a lot is happening. If you do want to also take advantage of this bear market, for example, people in my trading group are still making significant gains, even in the bearish time, just on trading signals alone. There are tons of other things you can enjoy in the Patreon and the Discord. Do consider becoming a patron. Like I say, guys, the space is so limited. We've overhauled it. We've made it as great as possible for you guys. Service, quality, product. We're really, really honed in on this. And you'll find more gems, or at least much better gems as well, than the Doge 2014 ecosystem. So check it out down below. They're going to be raising money quite fast, up to 87k now. So I think that just literally went up at the time of making this video. Bye for now, guys. Stay crypto safe. Peace.